Today, my day started with making present for my friends' relatives. I had to go and buy some flowers and deliver them straight to the person. After the work was finished, me and my girlfriend decided to go for a walk in the nearest park near the person. It was a botanic garden in Berlin, and surprisingly, this place was quiet. It's really unique for Berlin. We decided to get some snacks and I eat on a nature, on an open air. After we had a lunch, we decided to have a little walk. And what we found? We found that animals live in this park. And also we found that animals wanna have some snacks. I tried to feed one with the grass, but it looked at me like I'm fucking crazy. Made some sound like pfft, and then just went away. But a little bit after, we found a little kiosk with wild food. And later we found a little sign which shows what we can feed them. And surprisingly, the wild food was right there. So we have to find one with it shaking. I thought a good idea to make some sounds because of a lot of people before made it. And we found one. The smartest one because only this one understood that we are gonna give her or him some sweets, and of course it was really satisfied. Not gonna lie, we were satisfied too. And after came one more animal's friend. It wasn't that smart, but finally it saw that we are giving his friend some food and decided that he wanna get some snack too. Today I felt genuinely happy like a child, and